Oh, you run right up on that dude.
Oh, there's another big dude.
Didn't like that slug, did you, boy?
Oh, that's why I'm out of batteries. Kelvin and Virginia is meeting up on the lake.
Jeez.
I told you the dude's a gigolo.
Oh, there's a ton of them
Grab
down
them
here,
cheeks.
guys. I see 4 of them running right now. I think one of
Running
them's a
after it.
finger dude.
Oh my God, the finger's on a pole.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, just make sure you're dead real quick. Yeah, there you go.
They're dead.
Oh, there's a lot of people coming. Hey, guys. Went up a damn tree.
Oh.
Two in him.
Oh,
Takes 3
Right
shots
here.
on that sucker.
arrow, baby.
I'm out of bullet.
I am too.
You chasing me?
I got you.
Anything good in there?
Is his face like
welcome.
squished?
You're welcome. That was a great save, wasn't it?
Took you a while.
Oh, it's another behind me. He behind me. He
There's
right
another
here.
one.
Corns and cloth.
Oh, there's some more. Come on. There we go. Woo.
I got some meat. I got some meat.
I think I got some too.
Oh.
All the meat's rotten.
Yeah, I had some and I put it in there.
Seriously.
Mine too.
There's some fresh meat outside that cave I had, crap.
It's green.
I get dibs.
I can't do but hold a stick.
All right, hold on.
What
I got
was
you.
that?
You look good doing it though.
Oh, thank you. Oh, the big boy. I'm gonna put him with a stick. Yeah. Oh,
Fucking
take
knew I
that.
heard
Yeah, break it
something.
on your body.
What can I light? The hell?
Yeah. Light the fire underneath his ass.
There's another.
There's another one.
Another one right here.
There's one over here. I'll beat him with a stick.
He hurt.
Help. All I got's a stick.
Fucking
Help.
gone.
Help. I got a stick. Help.
Where you at?
Where you at?
Yeah, take that.
I'm going over here. What's this over here? I'm finna do something stupid. Don't worry about me. Oh shit, I fucked up.
Hey, guys coming. Guys coming. Guys coming. Taz behind you. Taz behind you.
I just took over the land.
Look here, Christopher Columbus. Next time, maybe back up.
I said if I do something stupid, I thought you saw me leave.
Hey. Hey, hey, dumbass. Hey, your daddy's that way. Daddy, that way. Daddy, that. Boy, you are one ignorant ass.
Oh my God! Look at all that ass. You see it?
What's up?
Look at all that ass.
Like them
So,
them legs though.
hey, don't lie. These some long ass legs.
I'm just saying, she all leg.
How
look, I found
are
a-
they
I found a
killing
big camp.
all these wells?
Didn't we just come from that way?
I mean,
No, we
It's a
came
big-
up from the top.
Fingers right up.
so a lot of folks. It's a lot of people. The family reunion.
Oh, they coming. They running. Oh shit, there's a lot.
Oh, another camp. That's why.
Oh, this is a double camp.
Gotta get the party started, man.
Ow! Help! Thank you.
Good. Oh, you run right up on that big ass dude.
Oh,
Oh, there's another
shit.
big dude.
Didn't like that slug, did you, boy?
Oh, that's why I'm out of batteries. Shit.
Oh, some more slugs in here.
Slugs, some 9mm.
Rope and cans.
Arrows.
All right.
Come on,
We're
man.
ready to
We did
go?
it already.
I think I'm done.
What's in that?
We're good. We good now? You good, KP? Did you get your
Did I what?
You did good. You did real good.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought.
Yeah,
I
you
heard.
did. You did real good. Real good, Castro. Get on. Real good.
I go ahead.
Oh, hey.
We'll open up a 7-Eleven.
You're
real quick.
old ass. You need to sit down.
Pablo Escobar.
Yeah, I'm just letting my knee replacement relax some.
Yeah, I can see that.
You know, hip replacements also don't do well in the cold.
We might want to wait because it's just me and you.
I'm behind y'all.
Way behind us.
Tass.
I'm right beside you.
Tass.
I see it. You did.
All right, I'm coming.
Oh shit.
What are we all
Uh-oh.
shitting? What's coming after
Oh
us?
boy, and I ain't got a fucking flashlight.
Good
We keep
Lord.
going, and there's more blood. Doors open down here. And, oh,
Is
great.
this,
Okay,
is this
that's closed
shotgun
off.
material?
That rope and what?
Hey, I say maybe we
Another
wait
watch?
up.
Oh, I see water. All right, hold on.
Yeah, that's something I ain't seen.
Yeah, I need that too. What the hell?
Now that ain't just freaky.
Yeah, that's for you, Augie.
This is oh no, it's going down again.
I don't like this rabbit.
Yep. Ooh, I don't like this idea. I see blood. Lots of it.
Yeah, big ass.
Will you go
puddle
through the damn
sitting
door
there.
now? I
Y'all are so
shoot you
scary.
with this damn taser gun.
That's
Good Lord, scary asses.
I decided I didn't like it. I didn't say I was gonna. I ain't scared until something jumps out at you.
It's a house.
What we got in here? Anything?
I got no gun out.
I got a taser gun. Don't worry, I got you.
Oh yeah, that's just shocking to death. Good Lord, this is a nice ass house.
Yeah, and this guy is damn, he's tied up.
Is this the
With the by his
billionaire's
neck.
house?
Just
Yeah, this
saying.
guy too.
Oh, ammo over here galore.
I got a book.
Oh, hell yeah, I want this room.
Hey, there's another shotgun.
Oh, I found a cross.
Cross does not work on these creatures.
Look at it. I'm holding it like it's an exorcism.
Get big. Crazy.
Whoa.
Wait, hit him with the.
What
Hit him
is
with the
this?
Hit him with the cross.
Oh, we need something.
We need an arm.
A key?
I don't-
Where is it?
Huh. Well, that's.
Well, maybe if they can stop eating all the arms to get through here.
Did you eat a lot of arms?
Oh, I see it.
Trying to see through the door.
I think she has a finger fetish.
Oh, jeez.
I think we
Damn it,
found
I couldn't-
everything here.
I cooked the last arm.